Good morning. Okay, so it's 6 in the morning. I am at my PT office. So I didn't tell you guys, but I got a PT aid job, and this is me going to work. And now I can't record a lot inside because obviously HIPAA reasons. You know, patients are in there. We don't know if they want to be recorded, so I'm not gonna record that. But good morning, guys. And then later I'm gonna go to school. So today's just kind of like a follow me along kind of type of day. I'm here. That's kind of how it looks. I'm gonna start opening the office. It's so exciting. I think no one's here. I think I'm alone. I have to do some paperwork. I'm still waking up. Taking a quick Chipotle breakfast break before school begins or class begins. Probably my favorite part of the day is just going to school and like driving back. I graduated in the spring 2023. It's been a long time, and I am older than most people, but honestly, like, I feel like I'm wiser now, so I'm very grateful. So I'm gonna record like my favorite part of this drive. I'm so excited. Isn't it beautiful? So beautiful. Okay, so I shouldn't be recording and driving, so see you guys later. And this is a day in my life. It's kind of plain. It's kind of fun, kind of plain. Gym time. Alright, so now it's around like 5 o'clock, and it's around this time I'm gonna shower. Some days are gonna be different. I work part-time, so I work Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and so that's kind of how it goes right now. And your girl's taking a nap. And I don't play with my naps. I take serious naps. Like, I take like, today's probably gonna be like a 30-minute nap. Maybe 20 to 30 minutes. I don't play. Like, when I nap, I mean like I'm napping. It feels amazing. I don't take like those 3-hour naps that people take. They play too much. All right. I'm gonna put some moisturizer. All right, I am back. Moisturizer on. I mean, you can even see the dewiness of my skin. Oh, and I'm taking a little nap. Sleep like me sleeping. It's literally so bright outside because it's. Yeah, this is how I kind of am right now. I'm gonna eat and watch TV. I usually just watch YouTube, whatever is on. Random side note, but these are so good. I can't eat them right now because I'm getting really bad acid reflux, but these are yummy. Guys, I am going to unwind and spend some time with Darian and just enjoy life. Good night. Good morning. Let's go to school. Can't forget the breakfast. What is this? I don't know. Got them from Costco. Little mini pancake things. I'm gonna snack on these while driving. And I meant to say lunch. Alright. These fluffy things are so good. They're like light and airy. From Costco. I forgot what they're called, but it's like a pink box. Oh my god, that was my last one. Oh, I'm sad. Where art thou? Seattle. I love when we enter fall. Look at how beautiful. I park far away and I don't want to pay parking. It's $300 for the quarter, so it's like 2 months and a half. I don't know, it's a walk, but if you think about it, it's like exercise, so it's not that bad. Look at this. Oh, my favorite. Okay, bye. Walking to class. How cute. I'm so funny. I took this way instead of just walking around, but just because look how cute they made it. Cute little path. Chilling in the car. I'm chilling in the car. If you know, you know. I mean, who is fond of traffic? Like I said, it's not LA traffic, but it's traffic. It's about 6 o'clock right now. All right, bye. All right, y'all, and we're back at it again. It's the end of the night. I have my skincare on. Oh, you see that glisten? Girl. Rehydrating. Okay, welcome to a couple days of my life. Let me show you what I made. So for today, we got some Brussels sprouts, some bell pepper, onion, mushrooms in here, a little bit of beans, and we have lemon pepper chicken wings. I ate one already. Today was one of my long days. It was from 2 classes with a big break in between, and it was from 10 to 6 p.m. Very long day. I'll see you guys.